Once you have all your wood cut to size, it is time for a pocket hole party, and you get your Kreg Jig. And I'm going to show you how to make pocket holes to connect your boards. These are 1x2 pieces, so I took this little spacer out. Two things that you need to adjust to the width of your board. Number one is this. I have it on the 3/4 setting, and number two is this. So this collar just adjusts, and it has little markers on it where you just line it up right in the hole and tighten it with this little key. So you just want to stick the jig at the very bottom, and then you're going to clamp it in place, and we're going to drill in these holes. So now I have the Kreg Jig all adjusted, clamped in place with my little Bessie clamp on the end of my board. Okay, now we're just going to drill the holes. The jig is going to guide you, so you can just put your bit in. And it'll stop right at that collar that you set. Now that we have the holes drilled, it's time to just screw them together. You use the screws that they make, which are little square holes with a special bit. And I'll put the chart as far as which size screws to use, but they go in pretty easy. You just follow the guide of the hole you drilled.